Chapter 1. Airplane System Description. Power Plant. The aircraft is powered by Rotax 912A, 80 HP, 4-stroke, 4-cylinder, horizontally opposed, twin-carbureted, spark ignition, dual electronic, single central camshaft engine. It is equipped with a dry sump cooling system and is lubricated centrally with own oil pump. The power plant features ram air-cooled cylinders, liquid, water, cooled cylinder heads and oil-cooled moving parts. Cooling air intakes are located left and right on the bottom part of the engine cover. Engine itself does not feature a cooling fan and is dependent on moving air or airspeed. While running, engine oil is cooled by being passed through a radiator. The engine is equipped with dry sump forced lubrication, dual breakerless capacitor discharge ignition, CDI, 2 constant depression carburetors, a mechanical fuel pump, electric starter, integrated AC generator with external rectifier regulator and propeller drive via gearbox with integrated mechanical shock absorber and overload clutch. Questions. Question number 1. What are the cooling features of the Virus SW-80X power plant? A. Ram air-cooled cylinders, liquid, water, cooled cylinder heads, and oil-cooled moving parts. B. Air-cooled cylinders, liquid, water, cooled cylinder heads, and oil-cooled moving parts. C. Ram air-cooled cylinders, air-cooled cylinder heads, and oil-cooled moving parts. D. Air-cooled cylinders, air-cooled cylinder heads, and oil-cooled moving parts. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a feature of the Rotax 912A engine? A. Dual breakerless capacitor discharge ignition, CDI. B. Single carburetor. C. Mechanical fuel pump. D. Integrated AC generator with external rectifier regulator. Question number 3. What is the maximum RPM for the Rotax 912A engine? A. 5000 RPM. B. 5500 RPM. C. 5800 RPM. D. 6000 RPM. Question number 4. What type of propeller drive does the Virus SW-80 aircraft use? A. Direct drive. B. Belt drive. C. Gearbox with integrated mechanical shock absorber and overload clutch. D. Chain drive. Question number 5. Which component is responsible for cooling the engine oil in the Rotax 912A engine? A. Cooling fan. B. Radiator. C. Air intake. D. Water pump. Question number 6. What type of ignition system is used in the Rotax 912A engine? A. Single spark ignition. B. Dual electronic spark ignition. C. Magneto ignition. D. Distributor ignition. Question number 7. Where are the cooling air intakes located on the Virus SW-80 aircraft? A. On the top part of the engine cover. B. On the sides of the fuselage. C. On the bottom part of the engine cover. D. On the wings. Question number 8. What is the function of the integrated mechanical shock absorber in the propeller drive system? A. To reduce engine noise. B. To absorb vibrations and shocks. C. To increase propeller speed. D. To cool the propeller. Question number 9. What type of lubrication system does the Rotax 912A engine use? A. Wet sump lubrication. B. Dry sump forced lubrication. C. Splash lubrication. D. Pressure lubrication. Question number 10. The Virus SW-80 AC is powered by which engine? A. Rotax 912A, 80 HP, 4-stroke, 4-cylinder, horizontally opposed, twin carbureted, spark ignition, dual electronic, single central camshaft engine. B. Rotax 914F, 115 HP, 4-stroke, 4-cylinder, horizontally opposed, twin carbureted, spark ignition, dual electronic, single central camshaft engine. C. Rotax 912 ULS, 100 HP, 4-stroke, 4-cylinder, horizontally opposed, twin carbureted, spark ignition, dual electronic, single central camshaft engine. D. Rotax 915 is, 141 HP, 4-stroke, 4-cylinder, horizontally opposed, twin carbureted, spark ignition, dual electronic, single central camshaft engine. Question number 11. What is the Virus SW-80 AX engine dependent on for cooling? A. A cooling fan. B. Moving air or airspeed. C. Water pump. D. Radiator. Question number 12. How is the engine oil cooled while the Virus SW-80 AX engine is running? A. By a cooling fan. B. By a water pump. C. By being passed through a radiator. D. By air intake. Question number 13. What type of starter is used in the Virus SW-80 AX engine? A. Manual starter. B. Electric starter. C. Hydraulic starter. D. Pneumatic starter. Question number 14. What type of generator is integrated into the Virus SW-80 AX engine? A. DC generator with internal rectifier regulator. B. AC generator with external rectifier regulator. C. AC generator with internal rectifier regulator. D. DC generator with external rectifier regulator. Question number 15. What type of fuel pump is used in the Virus SW-80 AX engine? A. Electric fuel pump. B. Mechanical fuel pump. C. Manual fuel pump. D. Hydraulic fuel pump. Question number 16. How many carburetors does the Virus SW-80 AX engine have? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Question number 17. What kind of carburetor is used in the Virus SW-80 AX engine? A. Constant velocity carburetors. B. Constant depression carburetors. C. Fixed jet carburetors. D. Variable jet carburetors. Question number 18. How is the Virus SW-80 AX engine lubricated? A. With an external oil pump. B. With a central oil pump. C. With a manual oil pump. D. With a hydraulic oil pump. Post your answers in the comments. Thank you.